right, Bryan, what do you got for us while I scramble to find one really quick?
Well, I need you to pay attention because I have a question for you.
Oh, shit.
Because I saw you use this before, and I've used it in the past. And I'm curious about if it's still the best tool for it. But I downloaded it on my iPad. I just bought an iPad yesterday. I'm going to Tom Ferry Summit tomorrow. I saw someone at the last conference I have take pictures on their iPad and then take notes on it. I'm like, that seems like something that would work really well for me. So I was obviously setting it up and planning it out because I do things like this. And one of the things that I ran into is something I remembered is utilizing Evernote to take my notes. I like the fact that you can have notebooks, you can have different notes. One of my notes is going to be my key takeaways, so I have that all in one spot. You can take pictures and you can sync it with your computer really easily. I like a lot about it. I know you can do also a lot of these things with notes from the iPad, but I don't have a Mac computer, so that doesn't work. But it's also like $7-8 a month, and I don't know if I love that. Is this still something you use? Do you like it?
There's not a free version anymore?
I had a 7-day free trial, and then I have to pay for it.
Really? Okay, I have a free version. I would not pay for it if I had to pay for it.
Okay.
I would just use Apple Notes. I mean, once you're in that Apple ecosystem too, right? You take the note, it's automatically on your computer. It's just synced up.
I'm not in that ecosystem.
Yeah, that's unfortunate.
But anyways, Evernote. Was that?
I got one for you after this.
All right, cool. Tom can help me after this. That'll be the widget after this when I say fuck Evernote, do something else. But I remember I learned about it a long time ago. It was a really cool system, but I'll have to check to see what we can find.
All right. Let's see. Where do I want to go today? I feel like I really want to go very, very simple. And Google Task is what I'm using a lot lately. There's so many different task management platforms out there. There's obviously the one that's reminders that's built into iOS. And what I do like with that is I can just tell Siri to like add stuff to it, which is very convenient because I can forget things pretty easily. I love the fluidity of the Google Task app, and it's so easy to make different task lists. So I'm somebody, I have a lot of, like my brain goes a million miles a minute. And when I have an idea in my brain, if I don't put it somewhere quickly, I'm going to lose it. Now, of course, you would probably prefer I do everything in Monday because you love Monday. But Google Task is what I love with it is it's super quick and easy. I can have, I have a list for things I need to talk to you about, for what my COO, my ops person, like every time I have an idea that pops in my head, I just throw it into one of the lists really quickly. And I think the thing that I like the most is how it's when I'm on my phone, it's there, but it's also when I'm on my computer and I'm inside of Gmail, which is where, I live on half my screen for the day. I have a sidebar with my task right there embedded into Gmail. So I have those available. And I think that's what I really love about it is that as soon as I put a task in my phone, it's on my computer and it's inside of Gmail. It's not a separate website or platform or anything I have to go to. So I love the fact that my tasks are right there. So that's what I'm going to go with, is Google Tasks today.
Cool. I like it.
Awesome. Well, hopefully you got a lot of value out of the show today. We really appreciate you tuning in to this episode of the Whissel Way podcast.
See you next week.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.